So now that we know what a progressive web app is and that we saw a demo of a progressive web app, let's take a look at what the web app manifest is, or how to unleash all of these native features for our PWAs. So in order to make our web app installable, all we need to do is have it include a manifest.json file. That's the one that the browser is gonna detect and use as a config file to enable all of these native behaviors. So in this manifest, what we find is basically the application name. So that's the name that's going to show up under the icon of your app once it is added to the home screen of a mobile device. We're going to define a splash screen color. So when your app gets loaded, what background color do we want to see there? The set of icons used. So we're going to provide a specific set of icons for different resolutions so that your app can be installed on a tablet or on a phone, low resolution, high resolution. And we're going to define other properties such as if the app should load full screen or in a browser. So all of this happens in a simple manifest.json, and you can see an example of on the screen right now. We define a name, we define a short name, the URL where the app should get started, the kind of display we want to have, background color, description of the app, and then the set of icons you want to use. So it's really just a set of keys and values. If you want to see a full example of that, you can get to the link here on the video and you'll see a full example of manifest.json. Now, in order to generate a manifest.json file, we'll see that in our case of an Angular project, Angular will actually do that for us. And that's what we're going to see in our next videos. But you can also create your manifest manually, and there are websites where you can generate the manifest.json, such as this one on the screen here, where you can just enter all of these different values and then generate a manifest.json on the fly. So you have a lot of different options, and it's really easy to create that file to enable all of these progressive web app features for your website. So in the context of Angular, we're going to have a specific module to enable PWA support, and that's the @Angular/PWA module. And this module is going to generate automatically a manifest.json for us. And it's going to add it to the index.html of our app so that browsers know where to find the manifest, and then they're just going to use it.